In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Hostinger Auto Renewal. Knowing how to manage your subscription settings is essential, whether you're planning to switch providers or simply want more control over your renewal payments. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step so you feel confident managing your Hostinger account settings. First, you'll need to log into hPanel. This is Hostinger's main dashboard, where you manage all aspects of your hosting account. To get started, go to the Hostinger website and enter your login information in the sign-in fields. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there are options to recover it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Hostinger dashboard. This is your control hub, where you can oversee everything associated with your account. Next, direct your attention to the upper part of the dashboard. You'll want to locate and click on the Billing tab, and from there choose Services or Subscriptions. This is where Hostinger organizes all the services you currently have active. You'll see a list of your hosting plans, domain names, email services, and potentially other subscriptions you might have through Hostinger. It's a great centralized place to make any changes to your account, so it's worth getting familiar with this section. Once you're in the services list, your next step is to disable the auto renewal feature. Find the specific service you want to adjust, whether it's your hosting plan, a domain, or another service, by browsing through the listed services. Look for the small arrow or the three-dot menu situated next to the service you want to modify. Clicking this will expand options related to that particular service. When the options appear, select Disable Auto Renew. This is the crucial step where you effectively take control of your subscription cycle, allowing you to decide manually when you wish to renew. It's particularly useful if you're contemplating switching hosts or anticipate temporarily not needing the service. When you select this option, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're certain about this change. Simply confirm your decision to finalize the process. Once you've completed these steps, Hostinger will no longer automatically renew that particular service. This means you have the control to renew manually if and when you decide you want to continue the service or let it lapse if it's no longer needed. With these steps, you're one step closer to fully managing your hosting experience with ease and freedom. Now that you've successfully disabled auto renewal, you can move forward knowing your subscriptions are precisely under your command. Thank you for following along with this guide on managing your Hostinger account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.